So this is the sweet potato taco. What does it have on it?
We got fried sweet potato, pickled red cabbage, okonomi sauce, cashew crema.
Okay. What about this one right here?
Tiki taco. We got soy ginger, marinated jackfruit topped with grilled pineapple, Asian slaw, and wasabi aioli.
We're today at taco party in Somerville. Sweet tacos. Which one is this? I know I got the sweet potato and which one is this one? This one is the jackfruit.
The jackfruit, the tiki taco.
Yeah. Which one did you grab?
I got the crispy fried tofu, cornmeal crusted mushroom taco, and the chorizo seitan taco.
Ooh, sounds good. Alright.
That's good shit.
Oh, really?
Let me try some of these tacos. See what we got. This one looks like the cornmeal crusted mushroom taco. Here we go, here we go.
What's in that?
We got mushroom, some salsa, arugula.
Oh, there we go. Oh, look, it's very detailed in this photo. Yeah, I see it. Good. So this is the sweet potato taco. What does it have on it?
We got fried sweet potato, pickled red cabbage, okonomi sauce, cashew crema.
Okay. What about this one right here?
Tiki taco. We got soy ginger, marinated jackfruit topped with grilled pineapple, Asian slaw, and wasabi aioli. This is the chorizo seitan taco.
Oh, what was in that one?
We got spicy ground seitan, green cabbage, and chipotle salsa.
The middle one?
Then we got crispy fried tofu, tofu fried in the season. Ooh, what is that? Panko breadcrumb mix topped with shredded lettuce, mango salsa.
That sounds so good.
Roasted garlic crema.
And then that one you already ate, right?
Oh yeah, the one that I've already devoured. That one is that was the cornmeal crusted mushroom taco, arugula, salsa roja, corn salsa.
Sweet potato one.
What do we think?
It's good. I mean, sweet potato is really flaky. It's like a mixture of crunchy. It's good though. Can't really describe it because look, see it?
Oh yeah, we got good footage.
Yeah. It's good. Let's try this one now. I gotta try the jackfruit one because Akash dies by this.
Woo! Looks good. All right, let's see what we got in there. Oh yeah, there we go.
Pickles, jackfruit. The jackfruit kind of looks like pulled pork.
It does, right?
How they did it, but it's good though. You should definitely try it.
Oh man, I'm excited. I'm about to try the fried tofu taco. Looks freaking delicious.
Can you show it again? Cause
For sure. Here we go.
yep. It looks like a fried fish sandwich, but it's not. It's tofu. Looks good. So.
Oh yeah. Got to refresh, you know. Here we go.
Which one's that now?
This is the chorizo seitan taco.
Chorizo seitan.
It's nice and spicy. The salsa is really nice.
Oh yeah.
This is really great. Check it out. Check it out.
Yeah, let me change the focus point. Ooh. Some of it looks like a rice.
Right?
It smells good from over here.
Mm-hmm.
Good. What is the seitan though?
What do we think?
It's really good. The spice doesn't hit you until like the end,
Yeah.
but it's like really good.
It's like a wave of spice, you know?
It's almost like curry-ish, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Good though. Tofu one?
Could be that way. So, are there certain things that can fire off your brain to say?
You go ahead.
So, I really like the jackfruit though.
The texture works really well.
Yeah. It has like a soy to it though. Right?
That's what I picked up on too.
It's good though.
It's a soy ginger marinade.
Oh, okay, but it's good though. I think just because the soy makes it look like it's pulled pork though.
Right.
It's not bad.
Oh, I don't know because I'm not at university, so I don't have access to my research.
Seitan is really good too.
It's nice, right?
Potatoes alright.
You might be seasoned.
The beets are good in the sweet potato.
Yeah.
All the knowledge.
I think the problem is it like falls apart though. Good though.
They put a good amount of stuffing in there.
Yep. The jackfruit one?
Jackfruit one's probably my favorite.
Really? I think the seitan is mine.
Yours? Okay.
Yeah, because the spice doesn't hit you until the end though. I mean,
Right, there's like a little bit of delay there
yeah.
whenever they get.
But it's like a curry though.
It is. Because it's not just straight spice, you know, not just like cayenne.
Yeah. It's enjoyable spicy. It's not like one of those ones that burn you.
They definitely have tacos that do that too.